Hello guys, I wanted to show you my game Bolets. You will have 9 cards, since it's just a 9-card game. One of the cards will be the scorecard, which will have 2 sides. The difficult side, well, you will gain a rock every 3 mushroom points, and the easy side, well, you will gain 1 every 4. So for this game I will use this side. As you also can see, you have the monster truck, where you will lose 1 life once you have 3 monsters non-covered or not killed, and if you have more than 4 you will lose the game. Also, you will have 2 spells that you can use to flip the card or to gain a rock, and this will be your life truck. You will use these cubes, or you can use also a dry marker, so maybe it's easier to track things. The yellow cubes on the FX you will move here once you've used it, or you will take them to use as a rock. The red ones to track monsters. The life, you will begin with 3 lives. And also the mushrooms, and you can put the blue ones in these ones here. I am not gonna do that. I will leave it to a side and show you how it plays the rest. So this will be our deck. We will put the end card aside and just flip and mix the cards. Okay, that's okay. So and put the end card at the end of the deck. And this will be our entry card. We'll put this here and the hand card on our hand, and every time you overlap a card on the previous card, we will get another one. So as you can see in here, we have 4 entries. In the first card, you can use whatever entry you want. So you can pick this one. In the other, you can only pick this one if you have collected 2 mushrooms. It doesn't matter the color, and you can pick this one. You doesn't have to collect any mushroom to enter. So this is a locked entry, and this is the unlocked entries. So as you can see here too, we have a rock. This rock will allow you to bounce in the rock and to change directions. And we also have a critter that in the other side there's 2 of them, and we have the mushrooms. So the critter, yeah, it will take 1 life if we hit them, but if you don't cover them, it will start piling up in this truck, and when you hit 3 non-covered monsters, it will take 1 life from the life truck. And if you cover the monster, there's nothing wrong. So that's what I recommend to do if you can. So if you are starting to play this game, I recommend to start with the A side because it's easier. Here you have 2 monsters, and usually you can only cover 1 of them, because if not, the mushrooms you can get are just a few of them. So yeah, what else? Yeah, you have this line here, which is the wall. This wall will allow you to bounce on the wall and to change directions also. So what you want to do in this game is to overlap 1 card to the other. So for example in here, and to collect as many mushrooms as you can get. So let's say we enter through this door in here. So you can only go straight until you hit a wall or a rock. So let's say we go here. We will change directions to get this mushroom. We'll hit this wall here, and we will take also this mushroom. So this one will get us 1 point, and this one will get us 3 points. But when you change direction through here, you will bounce to this, and you can only go through a path. You have go before, which is not allowed, and you can go backwards, which is also not allowed. So we will change our directions a bit here, but in this case we don't have any doors, in to go to the other side. So we will have to change this. Maybe let's see if this works. So let's get here, one mushroom, the other one. Now, yeah, now we can go through here, here, and here. Oh, and once we are on a door we want to enter, we can change the direction and enter, but we can't use a door to go to another direction if you don't want to enter to here. So our path will be here. So the track will be 2 white mushrooms, 2 points, and 3 points for the black one. So we have gained a rock, and this rock will be sorry, I haven't said that you can't cover a rock. So now with this one we can use it to, for example, we have entered through here, we can use it to cover a monster, to change back. So we'll keep playing, just get the next card, and we will try to, we can't cover this one because I want to get the black mushroom, since it's the one that gives you 3 points. So I rather cover this one in here. Also, you can cover a previous card, but only if you haven't gone through any path. So we have done this, so we can't do this because I will be covering a previous path. So yeah, you have to kind of remember what you have done. So it's easier if you don't cover the previous card. But once you start playing, you will get more knowledge, and I can tell you it's easier to get where you have gone and everything. And also you can have a dry marker and just like draw your path, so it's easier. So we were in this door, in here. I can bounce here, which it's not good because I'm not getting this one here. So what I will do is to put this rock here. So now I will bounce to the rock and I will hit this monster. Sometimes it's recommended to hit the monster because since you defeat the monster, it won't go on the track. So I won't get one monster on the track, and it's still also I will lose a life, but since on the next card I have 1 life, I can get to that. So maybe I'm at 3. If I was on 1 life, maybe I wouldn't do that, but yeah, I think I will do that. So let's see, I will go here, sorry, here, well, this doesn't get us any more mushrooms, so what I will do is put this card up, so at least once we go here, I will get this one. So now is 1 and 1, 2, 3 for the one. So I got another rock. Also 1 life less. Now we are in this door, we are gonna get the next card. And what I'm going to do is to get 1 door in this side because I want to go through here. And just so you can see it, these spells here, you can use 1 to flip this card, so you can use the other side of the card, but have in mind that each one of these are 2 points for the end of the play. So if you are not gaining that many points in that card, maybe don't use the spell. So yeah, what I was saying, I'm here, and I'm not even picking not this one nor this one. So since I have a cube, I know, yeah, I can put this one in here and go through this one here. I'm not gonna have this, but I'm at 2, and yeah, let's stay like this. So 1, 2, 3, and we get another cube. You will keep doing this. I have I have no space in here, so but you will keep doing this until you get to this last card. And here you will have the how the score works. So the scores, you will get 1 point for each white mushroom, 3 points for each black mushroom. For each not covered monster, you will lose 1 point. So if we had this like this, we will lose 2 points at the end of the game. Also, if you don't use one blue cube, you will gain 1 point. And if you haven't used the spells, you will gain 2 points for every not spell use. And you can have here and look what you are at the end of the play. So this is pretty much all. I will leave all the links down below so you can print your own game. And if you try it, let me know if you like it. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment me in this same video or you can comment me in the BGG post. And I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!